Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute the microphone on your headphones STEELSERIES Arctis Nova 3. So, to do this, right here at the left headphone we have mute and mute button. So right now is mute. You can also check it by the LED light at your microphone. So if you see the red LED light, means that it's mute, and if I press one time at this button I will unmute it. As you can see, no LED light here, so I'll unmute it, and to mute it you need to press again at this button. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!